Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So we've got an unbagging to do and this bag has got a box in it. And I've had a quick peek and this has come to me from the lovely people at diamondartgift.com. They have been working with me for a couple of packages now and said, would I like some more products to show you? And I said, yes, of course, because I've been really happy with the ones I've had in the past. So let's see what we got this time. So as I say, we have a box, with all the diamond painting instructions on the back. And we have, I think that's a tray. So that's everything in that bag. Okay, just a couple of items this time, but I can't wait to see this one. Let's have a look at this tray first. So yeah, I noticed that they've got a slightly different tray this time on their website. I do always like to go looking at all the bits and pieces, as you know. And this was just 99 cents. And yeah, okay, so it's quite a lightweight one. It's a lovely colour. Purple, the colour purple. There's a film in there somewhere. And yes, so it's a nice sort of rectangular shape. It's got your base with all your little grooves on for your diamonds to go in. And let's see if I can tip it. Yeah, it's got like a bit at the corner there where there's no grooves for your diamonds to go in, and it's got a little hole in the end. There is no stopper with it, but I'm sure possibly one of my other stoppers may fit it, or I can just put a little bit of wax or something on the end there to hold my drills in. And it does have this little like lip there. See if I can just get that in focus. Yeah, that's it. So that it just stops some of your drills from tipping. So let's have a look. Let's grab some drills and have a look and see what this is like. Grab another little tray to tip them into as well. So these are just some 310s that I have spare. There you are. One of my little Tic Tac containers. Okay, so let's give them a bit of a shake and see how we line up. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. And just a little bit of a tap to this end. Yep, so if you're multi-placing, sorry I keep going off camera for some reason, very strange. Do. So yeah, I think you'll see that they've lined up quite nicely and we've got some good long lines if you do like to pick up more than one drill at once with your multi-placers. So yeah, they look pretty good. So let's give them a tap out onto the tray. And let's see where we end up with these. Do it very gently because I don't want them jumping out and I want you to be able to see. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Just give those a couple of, they've just got a little bit stuck there at that corner, but they have moved. Okay, and yeah, that little guard has helped. Looks like we've just got two little escapees, look, so they can just go in there. Okay, so they've tipped into that tray. Okay, so let's pop those back into the tray again. Give them another line up. Just make sure, that's me, vigorous shaking, look. Oh, look, these black ones don't want to stay in this tray. They could be coming out of that end. That could be why. So, and give it another little tap to the end there. Yep, so you're definitely getting some good drills there in nice lines for your multi-placing, as I say. So let's see now if it will tip back. Oh, there's another one there, look. Honestly, they're alive. See if they will tip now back into there. So I should have got a better one, really. A better tub, really. Well, probably one of the round ones would work better, but let's just see how we go. Do it that way. That's better. It fits in there. So give them a little bit of a hold down to that corner. Okay. Yeah, they're all sliding in nicely there. So I've got a couple of escapees. Oh, that's another one. I think that could possibly be me spilling them. That's my fault. That is my fault. But yeah, I think on the whole, that's a pretty nice tray. And for 99 cents, goodness me, what can you expect? And it's quite deep sides as well. Let me just, this is a tray that was sent to me in a little Happy Mail package. So, I find it quite off-putting actually with it being completely clear. because I can't see it. It's got the gold in it, but I can't see it. So I do prefer my colours. Yeah, I always thought I wanted a clear tray, and yeah, I'm finding that this one, when I use it, I can't quite see where it is. So yeah, okay, so I'll just pop those out of the way so I don't spill them all again. Right, so let me just double check. This is sort of one of the white standard trays that you sometimes get in kits when you buy them. So let's have a look. So it is about the same depth as one of these, and I always find these really good. I do prefer higher sides. This little clear one here, I think you can see, is not as deep. You can just see we've got quite a bit of extra edge there on this one, and because I am quite a hard shaker, shall we say, I do like to have the higher sides because I am apt to throw them out all over the place. So that's good. So yes, like that tray. Nice little add-on if you're doing an order and you think, oh, just add something else onto my order. So yeah, I will say use a bit of wax or see if one of my other stoppers will fit in there. I always, when I buy trays that have stoppers, I always buy extra stoppers because I'm just awful at losing them. They just vanish. I take them out, put them down, turn round, and they've gone. Maybe that's just me. Okay, so thank you very much, Diamond Art Gift, for sending me that one. But let's have a look at the main event. This one, I think you'll find that this is one of my special drill projects. We are just at the end of smashing the specials. I was counting up last night and I think I'm almost at 20 projects that I've completed this month. So that's pretty good going. Oh, I can't get this box open. What did I do the other day? I got my scissors, I put them down there. And I just gave this a bit of an oomph to help it up. Oh. Gosh, that's well and truly in there. Okay, wow. That's well and truly in there. Right, oh look, everything matches. I'm getting very coordinated for once in my life. Okay, oh, and this one's wooden as well, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it this way and you're not going to see it. Look, oh, it's a wooden one. Oh, I do like the wooden ones. So let me just tip. Oh, and it lights up. Oh, and it's got lights as well. Got our little toolkit and all our sparkly gems. Okay. Right. So we've got our basic toolkit, pen, boat, wax, and quite a few little grip seal bags in that one. Quite a good little toolkit. Our lights. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at this. I noticed doing the Christmas paintings and the Christmas ornaments and hangers and things and the wreaths that last year they did start putting batteries as, yeah, 2 AA batteries. When the previous year and the year before, when I was buying light up projects, diamond painting projects, they were all 3 AA batteries, and that's quite heavy on batteries because, you know, batteries aren't cheap. And yeah, so they're all now, what they seem to be, the newer ones are all AAA batteries, and you only need 2, which is great. Okay, they are only little LED lights, which is wonderful. They all have an on-off switch. So yeah, I think if you saw my Christmas videos, I had to go around on a night and it took me half an hour to switch all the lights off that I had on. But I don't mind, I love Christmas. I wonder if these, oh, I think they're going to be, I think you can see, look, we've got like little gold and yellow and green lights in there. So I think this is going to be a multicoloured one as well. That's something that seemed to switch last Christmas last year. That they'd gone from just all the plain white lights, which I thought I really loved. But then when I saw them against all the like coloured lights, the little tiny coloured lights, I changed and I liked the coloured lights as well. So that's excellent. Really good. I like that, absolutely. Oh, I didn't realise it lit up. Right, we have all our gems there. It looks like they're all crystals. Woohoo! So, can you guess what it is? It is da, 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 a spring robin. How gorgeous is that? And oh, I love it. I love it. I do like my robins. Yeah, I've been feeding our robin at the moment. It's our big garden bird watch here in the UK this weekend. And it's where you sit for an hour and you have to count how many birds come into your garden, but you don't like count like, oh, there's one bird there, and then half an hour later, oh, there's another bird. You actually count how many you get at one time, so you don't sort of count the same bird twice, if that makes sense. What they're wanting to know is what the population, I suppose, of the birds is. So if you suddenly get 9 birds at once, then you'd put 9. But if the next time they all come into the garden in the hour, you get 10, then you'd cross the 9 out and you'd put 10. So yeah, well, I think that's how it works. Anyway, that's how I've read it on the board there. So, oh, now then, there's no chain. Oh, okay. And there's no chain in there. Unless there's a chain in the drills, we'll have a look. I have got spare chains, but it has got the little holes in the wood, look, there, the larger holes, so that you can hang it up. But as I say, because with the wreaths, I tend to like to actually put them flat on the wall rather than have them hanging from a chain. Then I have got spare chains, but okay, let me just have a look at the photograph on the front of the box. Yeah, I believe it should come with a chain, so I will just mention that to them and say I didn't get a chain with mine. But I mean, they can see the unboxing anyway. But yeah, you've got your chain there as well. Okay. Oh, I do love these. I do love these. So it's this lovely dark hardwood that they seem to be making things from at the moment. And very, very nice quality. I like these better than the acrylic because I find that if they do drop off the wall, which occasionally they can do, then yeah, it's not going to break. You've got all your little holes as well, look, for putting your lights through, for threading your lights around. So if you're not good at placing lights and not quite sure where to put them, this gives you a guide. Obviously, you don't have to use those and put them where they've said, but that's what they've done. But isn't that, I mean, the robin is gorgeous. It's a really nice big robin, so she or he stands out. We've got, these are like, I was going to say white primulas, but they're not really, are they? They remind me a little bit of winter roses, hellebores. And these are a little bit, some of these leaves are a little bit hollyish, but then you do get holly all year round. So yeah, and these are possibly berries, but to me this is sort of a spring picture, so this will be going on my spring display. In fact, to be honest, I love it so much it might stay up all year. So let's give it a quick measure and see how big we are. It's a lovely one. Oh, I do like this, and I'm really pleased it's come on the wood because, as I say, it just, I don't know, they just seem a better quality to me on the wood. And of course, because it's wood and it's not see-through, then the pattern has to be on the top, so you don't get that funny skewed effect of seeing the numbers and where you put the drills on the bottom and having to look through a piece of perspex or a piece of acrylic. So yeah, you don't get that funny skewed effect from the numbers being on the bottom, and when you look through, you've got to look right down on top of it, otherwise your drills don't look as though they're in the right place. You'll know what I mean if you've ever done one. So it's about 29 centimetres, which is about 11, just over 11 inches wide that way. And then where are we? Let's see, what's the width this way? I think this is probably about the widest point. So it's about 12.5-ish, 13 centimetres that way, which is about 5 inches. So it's a nice size. I wonder if we can just measure how wide this is. This little wooden bit. See if we can get a flat bit. Oops. So it is about 3 millimetres wide, which is a nice depth really, which is what, about 2/10 of an inch, whatever that is, half of a quarter. My fractions have escaped me. Oh, let's just quickly measure this tray as well. Didn't measure it, did I? So the tray is about 12 centimetres, which is about between 4.5, 4 3/4 inches by about 7.5 centimetres, which is about 3 inches, and the depth on the tray is about 1.5-ish centimetres, which is just over 1/2 inch. So yeah, sorry, I should have done that straight away, shouldn't I? Okay, let's have a look at these drills and see what we've got. I've just spotted some flowers. Woohoo! Flower, flower, flowers. Oh, lots of specials. Wow. Okay, so let's have a look. What have we got? We go up to 13, 14, 15 different shapes and gems. So in our crystals, we've got a lovely clear crystal, a nice fresh green and a little bit deeper green, a very pale peach, and a nice cherry red, and a brown colour there, which I suspect is going to be our robin, and a contrasting brown next to it, and then another sort of mid-green and a little bit of black there. You can't beat a bit of black. So they're the black gems that have actually got a silver backing. Okay. And our specials. Wow. So we've got, oh, look at those. Like an amber effect jewel there. Lovely. Big crystal. Well, a medium crystal. We've got the lovely big round faceted amber colour there. We've got our lovely standard red. So they don't have any facets on, I don't think. Oh yes, they do. So we've got our little red faceted rounds there. There'll be all the berries. We've got some little pale champagne coloured teardrops there. Oh, we've got our standard teardrops there, which are the silver ones with an iridescent coating over the top, and then a very pale green little round. Okay, so lots of specials in this one. I do like it. So that's our little light up robin, and then we got our lovely purple tray. A huge thank you to diamondartgift.com for sending me these. They have got some special offers on the website at the moment. If you pop over there, as of me making this video, there is a 70% off shipping. So check out how that applies to your country. And if you buy 4 items, one of them will be free. So again, check out that special offer. It's always worth just checking the offers. And as I say, always check out sort of the tools and extra little bits, because there's always some new bits and pieces that you might like. I do like my little tray, but I love my robin. Again, big thanks to Diamond Art Gift for sending me these. I will be getting this done very, very soon. So watch this space. It will be going in my spring corner. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that subscribe button down in this corner, and the all notifications bell that pops up will mean that you'll never miss any of my videos, and we've got lots of exciting stuff coming up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.